Hey there, Saberland. West Coast Sabers here. I know I'm doing a couple of these, but I'm actually pretty excited about this project because this will be turning into functioning displays that we'll be offering. Again, these are 3D printed, so there's no fighting with these. We got the first bit of sanding done, knocked down all the high spots, uh, added the battle. I'll try and focus that. Added the battle damage that'll show through afterwards. Got to do layer filter. Layer filler. I already drilled and tapped 8/32. Yeah, that's actually a metal 8/32 retaining uh, bolt, screw, whatever. We just have it kind of pop together, friction together with tape at the joints just to give it a snug fit. I got a single Cree LED, green LED in here, just I did a bit of a mock-up with a Nano 4 board, just to give me an idea of what I'm going to be looking at. So here's the, oh wait, fire it up. Still sensitive, still fairly loud. Like I said, you're not going to be dealing with it, but it does have, I will offer in stunt, like no sound, just light up display with stand, or with sound if you want. But yeah, we'll be offering these as a functional display piece. The Rham Kota original Blind Knight lightsaber. Uh, Most of you probably won't know who that is. It's one of the Jedi from The Force Unleashed. Very popular. This is his lightsaber, one of my personal favorites. Yeah, so this is the 3D printed Rham Kota. Good with sound. Super sensitive. Yeah, it's a Nano V4, so 3 sound fonts. And of course the mute function. All right, well, thanks for looking. Yeah, this is the Rham Kota 3D print build. Yeah, we're going to be definitely doing more of these and offering them up. All right, well, thanks for looking. May the force be with you always.